Welcome back to our course. We are still in session 2, normalization, and in this video we are going to discuss the second normal form normalization. So a table is considered to be in second normal form. It is in, well, first normal form, and there is a single column primary key. So if we take a look here, we can see, well, we are tracking teacher ID really based on two unrelated items. The number of subjects that a teacher can deliver. And in this case, we can see teacher IDs. There's two teachers here who deliver more than one class, and that's very typical. And also the teacher age is unrelated to any subject that they teach. But if we look at this table here, we actually have a single column primary key, and we can see here we are tracking the teacher age and also the unrelated teacher subject. So this is typical where we actually have these two tables here where we can query information on either these related or unrelated data of whatever we are tracking. In this case, it happens to be teacher. So again, second normal form is it has to be in first normal form, and then we need a single column primary key, and that's what we see here. We don't have a primary key in this table. So please stay tuned for our next video where we will discuss the database normalization of third normal form.